Hi there. So I'm in a commercial flight from Madrid to Paris Charles de Gaulle, as you can see on the flight plan here. I'm using an Android cell phone and I'm using Garmin Pilot, the Garmin app for flight navigation on the Android device. So on the app, on the phone, I'm connecting to the D2 Charlie, which you can see on the left side, and the connection just happened. Notice that autosync flight plan to watch is enabled, so that will be helpful later. Please notice the blue icon with the warning sign. It says that the data is stale, so that's because the GPS watch, the D2 Charlie, hasn't yet acquired the GPS signal. So I'm putting it near the window. As you can see, we're flying over water, I guess, or land. We'll see. And I just got the signal. So we're at flight level 350 and 414 knots. Good, so I just touched send to, and the flight plan just got sent to the watch automatically. Yes, I was in flight mode, and the flight plan just gets directly sent to the watch and displayed directly. So there were a couple of issues with that before, but it's been fixed for Android at least. I have not tried yet on iOS. A lot of things worked, and there were some Bluetooth connection with iOS sometimes. I'm wondering if you also have the same thing. Please comment if that's the case. But for Android, I can tell you that it's working really well. Now I'm just checking that the flight plan is indeed the same by going to the active flight plan on the watch. And yes, it is. And you will note that the routes, like Uniform November 858, is actually sent as waypoints. So starting from the top, we have the Madrid airport, then we have Romeo Bravo Oscar, and then we have the routes. Uniform November 867, which is Natul and Gasmo, and then we have Delta Golf Oscar, and then the next route. So it's exactly as in the flight plan, which is really good. A note is that SIDS and STARS, so procedures for departures and arrivals, are not sent to the watch. As far as I remember, the procedure would not be sent to the watch as part of the flight plan. And by the way, the watch is now sending GPS data to the phone. So the phone is showing a GPS altitude of 34,785 feet and a speed of 410 knots, and that comes directly from the watch. Now I'm just looking at the flight plan menu and showing that the saved flight plan is in there, Madrid to Paris. You can set it active, look at the map, invert and save copy. And looking at the map, again, that's the flight plan displayed when you want to check the different flight plans you have on the watch. So I think the feature works really well. There were a couple issues in the past. They have been fixed, and I think it's pretty spot on. So thanks for watching.